Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good. I'm fine. And you?
I'm great. Okay, today we are going to learn about two types of plant, found plant and non-found plant. Some plants have flower and some don't. Now let's play game. Quick game to warm up. Okay, I will show you some picture. If you think the plant has flower and not has flower. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Look at the picture. If you think the flower plant and non-flower plant.
Flower plant.
Flower plant, yes, that's right. And this one?
Non-flower plant.
Non-flower plant is correct. And the last one, if you think the flower plant or non-flower plant.
Non-flower plant.
Excellent. Great job, everyone. Okay. Now, let's learn how scientists classify them. The plant can be divided into two groups, a flowering plant and a non-flowering plant. Let's see. Flowering plants have flower. This flower help the plant make seed and fruit. An example of flowering plants are rose and sunflower. And a non-flowering plant not have flower. They reproduce using spore, and spore are small, little bit. An example of non-flowering plant are fern and cycad. Okay, the next I will show you a video.
Friends, today we'll learn about flowering and non-flowering plants. Lovely. These are the fruits of the flowering plants. There are small seeds inside the fruits. Flowering plants are a type of vascular plant which produces flowers in order to reproduce. Scientific name for the flowering plants is angiosperms. You'll notice the flowering plants easily. These plants are the dominant and most familiar group of land plants. In this garden, you can see so many flowering plants. Show the pictures to your friends. This vibrant hibiscus, the beautiful rose, this cute sunflower, the juicy mango tree, and the papaya. Zoom into this. These ripe papayas look so tasty. They are some of the flowering plants. Let's have a look at the stages of life cycle of the flowering plants. Seeds. They start their lives as seeds. Seeds are covered with a hard outer shell that protects the embryo inside it. Germination. The seed needs air, water, and soil to grow. At first, tiny roots are emerged, and then the stem grows. Seedling. Young plant emerges in this stage. You can easily see small leaves in the tiny plants. Mature plant. In this stage, the seedling continues to grow into a full mature plant with roots, stems, and leaves. Flowering. The mature plant grows flowers. The flowers will produce seeds through pollination. When the seeds end up on the ground, the life cycle starts all over again. Open the diagram of life cycle of a flowering plant. Seed, germination, seedling, mature plant, flowering, and the same repeats again. See, this mountain deer is happily playing with the fern leaves. The fern plants do not use flowers to reproduce. This type of plants, which do not produce flowers, are called the non-flowering plants. The spore bags are located on the back of the leaf. These are somas, the roots of sporangia, which contain spores. And here, these are spores which are further used in reproduction in the non-flowering plants. There are two main types of non-flowering plants. Plants like mosses and fern that use spores to reproduce. These are pine trees, which are conifers. They use seeds to reproduce and are called gymnosperms. Let's have a look at the life cycle of a non-flowering plant fern, which uses spores for reproduction. At first, tiny spores start to appear on the leaves. These form on the undersides of the leaves in spore cases called sporangia. In second stage, the mature gametophyte produces both male and female gametes. Then the zygote develops. It contains a complete set of DNA to form a new fern plant. Final stage is sporophyte. They grow and releases spores. Then the life cycle starts again. Now look at this pine tree. The gymnosperms, like pine and other conifers, reproduce using their combs. If the pollen lands on a female cone, then the female cone will produce seeds. After this, new plants grow from the seed. You're planting a plant. Very good. Besides providing oxygen for you to breathe, plants make life on Earth sustainable. So, we should take care of the plants. Now, you know a lot about flowering and non-flowering plants. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.
Okay. Now let's do a quick game tour. Are you ready?
Yes.
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 Okay. With picture of the non-flowering plant.
A.
A.
Yes, A is correct. And with picture of the flowering plant.
C.
C.
Yes, C. You know name?
Daisy. C.
Yes, very good. And big picture we produce using by spot.
A.
A. A.
And A. Okay. And big picture can make seed and food.
B.
Yeah, correct. B. Okay. Now, what we learned today, the flowering plant have
Flower.
flower, yes. And flower make
Food. Seed and fruit.
seed and fruit, yes. Good job. And a non-flowering plant
Spot.
not have flower. And they using
Spot.
a little bit spore, yes. Okay. Now, ask review question. Number 1, do all plants have flower?
No.
No. No.
Yes, no. And number 2, can you name one non-flowering plant? พลอยสวย
Moth.
Moth, Fury,
Liverwood.
and Pandadi.
Jingle.
Bingo, okay, Annie.
Fern.
Fern. Great job today. Now you know how to tell plant by their flower. Next time you see a plant, ask yourself, does it have flower? That's how scientists think. Okay, see you next time, student.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. See you next time.
Okay.